Omo, this one tire me, oh, this one tire me, my people. I greet you all once again. My people, is this real or is it a film trick? Or is this all this India movie we're about? Because I'm confused in this video. How is it possible that this little baby now will climb to this building, climb to all this high? Ah. My people, this one, I don't really believe that this thing is a reality. Look now, watch this video. Share your opinion in the comment section. Tell us what you feel about this video, whether it is real or fake trick. Make sure you watch, like, share, and comment in this video. My people, look now, watch this video.
அந்த குழந்தைக்கு அம்மா அப்பா யாருமே காணுமே.